10 luxury vans that feel like private jets. Luxury travel doesn't always happen above the clouds anymore. Modern executive vans have reached a point where reclining seats, ambient lighting, and silent rides make them feel closer to private jets than traditional road vehicles. These machines completely changed what people expect from passenger comfort. Lexus LM. Long flights usually separate luxury from the road, but this machine tries to bring both into the same experience. The Lexus LM isn't designed around driving excitement. The entire vehicle is built around the people sitting in the back. Open the sliding doors, and it immediately feels less like a van and more like a private lounge built for travel. Instead of filling the cabin with unnecessary complexity, Lexus focused on comfort and isolation. Large reclining seats, premium materials, ambient lighting, and a massive rear entertainment screen create an atmosphere that feels calm and executive-focused. And unlike many luxury vehicles that only look premium, this one is designed to make long journeys feel effortless. The suspension stays smooth over rough roads, while the cabin remains impressively quiet even at higher speeds. One hybrid version uses a 2.5-litre four-cylinder hybrid powertrain, producing around 246 horsepower and approximately 239 pound-feet of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 8.5 seconds, reaches a top speed near 118 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 5,000 pounds. But performance isn't the reason this van stands out. What really matters is the experience it creates for passengers: privacy, silence, and comfort without distractions. This isn't the kind of vehicle made for attention outside. 9. Chevrolet Express Explorer Conversion Van. Most luxury vehicles try to impress you the moment you see them. This one waits until you sit inside. From the outside, the Chevrolet Express Explorer Conversion Van still carries that familiar full-size van shape. Nothing about it screams exotic or futuristic. The rear cabin feels oversized in the best possible way. Wide captain chairs, soft lighting, premium trim, and built-in entertainment systems make the space feel more like a rolling executive suite than passenger transport. Even the seating position changes the experience. Passengers sit back, stretch out, and travel without feeling confined. A 6.6-litre V8 powers the van, producing around 401 horsepower and 464 pound-feet of torque. Despite weighing roughly 6,200 pounds, it still manages 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 7.5 seconds and reaches a top speed near 120 miles per hour. But the interesting part isn't the acceleration. It's how disconnected the cabin feels from everything happening outside. Road noise fades away, the ride stays smooth, and long-distance travel becomes surprisingly relaxing. Vehicles like this aren't really built for drivers. They're built for the people sitting behind them, and that's exactly why it feels less like transportation and more like a private lounge moving down the highway. 8. Toyota Velfire. Airport transfers usually feel routine, until a vehicle like this changes the entire atmosphere. Instead of chasing sporty styling or aggressive performance, it focuses almost entirely on comfort, silence, and space. Large power sliding doors reveal a cabin designed more like a luxury lounge than a family van. Reclining rear seats, soft ambient lighting, and high-end materials create an experience that feels calm and premium during long journeys. Interestingly, the Velfire doesn't rely on massive power to feel expensive. One hybrid version uses a 2.5-litre four-cylinder hybrid system, producing around 250 horsepower and approximately 177 pound-feet of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 8.9 seconds, reaches a top speed near 112 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 4,900 pounds. What passengers notice most isn't speed, it's smoothness. While the quiet cabin keeps outside distractions to a minimum, in many parts of the world, vehicles like this are preferred over traditional luxury sedans because they simply offer more comfort and practicality. And once you experience how relaxed the ride feels inside, it becomes easy to understand why. 7. Mercedes-Benz V-Class. Business meetings, airport pickups, long executive trips, few vehicles handle all of them with this level of refinement. The Mercedes-Benz V-Class approaches luxury in a more polished and professional way. Instead of trying to feel flashy, it focuses on creating an environment that feels organized, comfortable, and effortlessly premium. What makes it stand out is how naturally it blends practicality with executive comfort. Passengers get spacious seating, ambient lighting, and high-end materials without sacrificing the flexibility a van is supposed to offer. One V-Class variant comes equipped with a 2.0-litre turbocharged diesel engine, producing around 234 horsepower and approximately 369 pound-feet of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 7.8 seconds, reaches a top speed near 137 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 5,500 pounds. Rather than delivering aggressive speed, the powertrain focuses on smooth and relaxed movement. The suspension keeps the ride controlled, while the cabin remains impressively quiet for a vehicle of this size. There's also a certain professionalism to the experience. Everything feels carefully arranged, from the seating layout to the technology placement, giving the van a calm executive character instead of a family car feel. It's the kind of vehicle that turns travel time into productive time. If this surprised you, hit like, because the next machine takes passenger comfort even further. 6. Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, luxury VIP van. Privacy becomes a completely different experience when a vehicle is built like this. The moment passengers step into the rear cabin, the environment shifts from transportation to full executive luxury. Depending on the conversion, the interior can include reclining airline-style seats, large TVs, conference tables, ambient lighting, and even partition walls separating passengers from the driver. It feels closer to a private jet cabin than a traditional road vehicle, and because the roofline sits much higher than most luxury vans, the extra headroom changes the atmosphere entirely, making the cabin feel open and spacious instead of enclosed. One common configuration uses a 3.0-litre turbo diesel V6 engine, producing around 188 horsepower and approximately 325 pound-feet of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 9 seconds and weighs roughly 6,800 pounds, depending on the conversion setup. Interestingly, speed becomes almost irrelevant once inside. The focus shifts toward isolation, comfort, and the ability to travel for hours without fatigue. Genuine private space comfort while moving. And that's exactly what makes this van feel less like ground transportation and more like a rolling luxury suite. 5. Hyundai Staria Lounge. A Hyundai Staria Lounge takes a very different approach compared to traditional luxury vans. Instead of hiding its size, it embraces a futuristic shape, smooth curves, and a front-end design that feels more concept car than family transport. What surprises people most is how open the cabin feels, while the seating layout creates a more airy and relaxed atmosphere than most vans in this segment. A 3.5-litre V6 engine powers one version of the Staria Lounge, producing around 268 horsepower and approximately 245 pound-feet of torque. It reaches 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 8 seconds, carries a top speed near 130 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 4,500 pounds. But the real focus here isn't aggressive performance. Hyundai designed this vehicle around passenger comfort, especially for long-distance travel. Premium reclining seats, advanced driver assistance systems, and a quiet ride make it feel smooth and easygoing on the road. Unlike luxury vans that lean heavily into traditional executive styling, this one feels modern and experimental, almost like a preview of where passenger vehicles might be heading in. The future, and because of that futuristic identity, the Staria Lounge stands out immediately, even in a crowded city full of expensive vehicles. Airport-style executive travel rarely feels this smooth on normal roads. 4. Nissan Elgrand VIP. This is the kind of vehicle built for people who spend serious time on the road. Instead, it creates a more traditional high-end experience focused on comfort, smoothness, and passenger relaxation. One of the reasons the Elgrand became so popular in executive transport is the way it balances practicality with premium comfort. Rear passengers get spacious seating, quality materials, climate controls. Power comes from a 3.5-litre V6 engine. producing around 280 horsepower and approximately 260 pound-feet of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 8 seconds, reaches a top speed near 130 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 4,700 pounds. What really matters, though, is the ride quality. The suspension keeps movement soft and controlled, making long-distance travel feel much less tiring than in many SUVs or crossovers. It doesn't try too hard to look futuristic or aggressive. It simply focuses on delivering comfort consistently. 3. Volkswagen Multivan. Flexibility becomes a luxury of its own when a vehicle is designed this intelligently. Seats can rotate, slide, fold, or be rearranged depending on how passengers want to travel, turning the interior into a lounge, workspace, or family space within minutes. That versatility changes the experience completely. One trip can feel business-focused, while the next feels relaxed and social without the vehicle needing to change its identity. Uses a 2.0-litre turbocharged engine, producing around 201 horsepower and approximately 236 pound-feet of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 8.5 seconds, reach a top speed near 137 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 4,600 pounds. The performance stays smooth and predictable rather than aggressive, which actually suits the personality of the vehicle perfectly. Everything about the ride feels balanced and easygoing. What makes the multivan important in this segment is its ability to combine practicality with premium comfort without becoming overly complicated. And that flexibility is exactly what gives it such a unique appeal. Drop a comment if this caught your attention. The next machine focuses entirely on executive refinement. 2. Mercedes-Benz EQV. Silence changes the entire feeling of luxury once electricity replaces a traditional engine. There's no engine vibration, no loud acceleration, and almost no mechanical interruption inside the cabin. The result feels calm in a way that's difficult to replicate with conventional luxury vehicles. Mercedes kept the design clean and understated, but the atmosphere inside feels modern and executive-focused. Soft ambient lighting, premium seating, digital displays, and spacious rear accommodation create an environment that feels more like a quiet lounge than daily transport. An all-electric powertrain produces around 201 horsepower and approximately 268 pound-feet of torque. The EQV can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 12 seconds, reaches a top speed near 99 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 6,000 pounds because of its large battery system. Interestingly, the slower acceleration actually matches the personality of the vehicle. This van isn't trying to feel sporty. It's designed to make passengers feel relaxed and isolated from outside stress. And that near-silent movement is exactly what makes the EQV feel so close to the atmosphere of modern private aviation. Long-distance executive transport becomes smoother, quieter, and more effortless. Once road trips start feeling this quiet and isolated, regular vehicles feel completely different afterward. 1. Maxus Mayfair 9. First-class airline seating usually stays inside airports. The second-row seats immediately become the center of attention, offering reclining functions, leg rests, massage features, and enough space to feel more like a luxury suite than a van cabin. Visually, the design leans heavily into modern luxury. Thin LED lighting and a futuristic front end, without becoming overly aggressive. Instead of using a gasoline engine, the Mayfair 9 relies entirely on electricity. Its electric motor produces around 241 horsepower and approximately 258 pound-feet of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 9.5 seconds, reaches a top speed near 112 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 5,700 pounds. But the interesting part is how the electric setup changes the atmosphere inside, making passengers feel separated from the noise and stress outside. There's also a strong emphasis on technology throughout the cabin, from digital controls to advanced comfort systems that continuously enhance the passenger experience during longer trips. After seeing machines like these, ordinary travel starts feeling very different. From executive comfort to private lounge interiors, these vans proved luxury isn't limited to sports cars or sedans anymore. Tell me which one impressed you the most. Hit like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more content like this.